All right, so my name is Curtis Seaton. I'm the public adjuster, and I'm out here with the contractor. I'll let him introduce himself. And when we arrived, we noted that there was some damage to the roof, and we are going to attempt a repair and see how that's going to work out. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Al, and I work for Woodcrafted.
What's your last name, Al?
Salguero.
Salguero. Okay, so what we're going to do is do a repair. So my first question is, do we have an exact match of the shingles?
No.
Would it be possible to do additional repairs in other areas where shingles are missing and make it all look the same?
No.
What about the felt? So whenever we remove and replace a shingle, will additional damage be caused to the felt?
Yes.
And what is the felt used for?
To protect just in case the water going through the shingles, the felt prevent to make a leak.
Right. So now, as we can see here, we have a couple holes. So those holes will still be there. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. So if you want to go ahead, sir, and we're going to remove one of the shingles for review. Now, as careful as you're being, Al, is it possible that you're causing damage to this shingle here?
Yes.
Yes.
You want me to put those back, right?
Yes. So as you can see here, if you just want to wait 1 second now, there are additional holes and there are loose granules here that were caused whenever we took the shingle off, and you can see the granules coming off as we speak. These shingles up here are also damaged. Go ahead. So I have a question, Al. So this shingle here is loose, correct?
Yeah.
What's the probability that it's going to reseal properly to the...
Says it's no way they're gonna get stick because that one is already dry out.
It's dried out?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Thank you. All set?
Yes, sir.